In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Wells Fargo credit card. It's fast, easy, and only takes a few minutes. Once you receive your new card, flip it over and call the customer service number on the back, or activate online through the Wells Fargo mobile app or website. To activate in the app, log in and tap Cards under your accounts. Select your new card and choose Activate Card. You'll need to enter the last 4 digits of your card number and confirm your identity with a one-time code sent to your phone or email. If activating by phone, follow the prompts and have your card ready. You'll be asked to enter the card number and verify your identity. Once activated, you're all set to start using your Wells Fargo credit card for purchases online and in-store. Make sure to set up alerts and manage your card through the app for added security. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more personal finance tips and banking guides.